Hey everybody, on this video I've got a American padlock here. It says Series 50. Looks like an old one, but not really sure. It's kind of like a 5200. It's solid steel, pretty heavy. Keys for it here. It says front disc on it. Bidding is 24468. So that's what that looks like. And we'll see if we can get in this guy. Using a Peterson 50 thousandths prob bar. And looks like a number 1 hook that I've picked up here. There we go. I got it picked here. And you know what? That is a rivet in there, so I guess that is it for this video. I guess I could probably drill it out and maybe replace the nut if I really wanted to get into it. I guess there's a couple of serrated pins in it. If there is any spools or over high pins, not the lower ones, not 2, 3, or not 1, 2, or 3. So see, it's the key here. So if there is spools, there would be over these. You'd feel them. I think you'd feel them over 4 cuts. You definitely would feel them over a 2 cut. Anyway, I guess that's going to do it for this video, and we'll talk to everybody later.